Guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the bargain bead box for November of 2025. I just got it in. I was doing markets all weekend, and so I didn't get a chance to do the unboxing. I was really busy, so I'm so looking forward to doing this. I haven't looked. I cut this, but I haven't watched anybody's unboxing, so I don't know what to really expect. So let's see here. Oh, and I do have a coupon code, BNJ2, for $2 off your first box with them. These monthly boxes are $24.99 a month, and they're valued at over $60. This one, it's called Winterberry Wishes. This one is worth $84.09. There are 21 pieces. It says natural purple gemstones, including phosphosiderate. Okay, phosphosiderate, adventuring, and lepidolite mix with an icy aquamarine and this berry tone twist on classic holiday motifs with copper finished poinsettia accents. Sparkling crystals, high quality glass pearls, and lamprock leaves complete this collection. This sounds really pretty. So, okay, hope everybody is doing well. I have been crazy busy. Okay, look at this. Oh, these are pretty. Poinsettia flower pendants. Oh, I love these connectors when they send these to us. These are so pretty. Little leaves. Ooh. Some more jump rings. We got jump rings from Dollar Bead Box last month too. Kind of almost the same bag, so we're doing good on the jump rings. Okay, I'm excited to unbox this, so give me 1 minute and I'll get everything ready. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with a 30 by 18 millimeter amethyst teardrop pendant. This is pretty. Oh, this is pretty. I'm sure each one is different in everybody's bag. It's usually when you're dealing with gemstones like this, you know, each one's going to be a little different. I like to take one of the bead caps and put it over here to make like a little decoration on that. That's one of my favorite things to do. Okay, number 2 is a 7-inch strand 3 by 2 millimeter of phosphosiderite. Oh gosh, I can't say that. Faceted rondo beads. So that's them. These are really pretty. They have a different like look to them than the other beads. I'm going to go on Google. I didn't realize when I opened this box because I didn't look, or I would have looked up how to correctly pronounce it. Phosphosiderite. So, this is really pretty. It's like one of those tongue twisters from school. And number 3 is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter purple lepidolite round beads. These are pretty. We've gotten these before from them. These are really pretty. My last video, I did an unboxing for Potomac beads, and I noticed when I was watching it, it was a little blurry, and I don't know why. It's really weird because that's only happened once before. I don't know what happened. So, okay, number 4 is a 7-inch strand, 6 millimeter aquamarine heated faceted round beads. But yeah, if you watched that, I'm sorry if it was blurry. I had put it up, I watched it, and it was like the last half of the video, it seemed like it. So, I'm going to watch this through all the way before I post it. Make sure that's not. These are really pretty. See all the different little hues in them. So we have that. Then we have number 5 is a 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter purple aventurine frosted round beads. Wow, these don't look purple, but I'm sure they are. It's just, yeah, that one's got a little bit of purple in it. It's just, when I think of purple, I think of like a real purple. This is almost like a, it has like a reddish undertone to it right there, and that's like a pinkish undertone, like a warm undertone to the purple. These are really pretty. Like back when I was doing hair, there's different undertones to colors and everything. You know, you can have like a grayish blue, you could have a yellowish blue, you could have a greenish blue. So it just depends. Number 6 is the 5-inch strand of aquamarine heated faceted cylinder beads. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Yeah. Love the colors in these. Okay. And number 7 is 10-inch strand of 5.5 millimeter crystal, wait. It's 10-inch strand of 5.5 millimeter English cut faceted crystal beads in lavender AB. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, these are really pretty. This is going to be a fun box to work with this month. Yeah, these are really pretty. Look at that sparkle. This would make just a pretty little bracelet, you know. Did a finished jewelry video. I will leave the link below to everything I created, from Potomac beads to bargain bead box to dollar bead box for the month, because I was so busy. I just did, and it was kind of nice to just do one video so you could see everything. Okay, number 8 is a 15-inch strand of 3.5 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in Winterberry mix. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Look at that sparkle. Ooh, we got some sparkly beads this month. Loving that. This would make a really pretty double strand bracelet too. You know, just if you're not sure what to do with them, you could just make yourself some regular bracelets. Okay, and number 9 is 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter glass pearl beads in mulberry. Oh, these are pretty. They have nice holes in them too. Yeah, this is really pretty. I just love, I've got so many boxes to unbox. I'm so excited. I love this part of the time of the month. Okay, and number 10 is 20 pieces of 11 by 7 millimeter glass leaf beads in slate rainbow iris. Oh, these are pretty. And these are top drilled. So the hole goes up through the top there. Just very pretty. I love the AB finish on them. Okay, and number 11 is 2 pieces of 22 millimeter lamplight glass twisted leaf beads in copper rose. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know if you could see that. Let me see if I could put them in here. Maybe you could see it a little better. See that copper rose on there? That's really pretty. Yeah, a really pretty hue to them. Very pretty. Okay, and oh, this is pretty. Number 12 is 4 pieces of 28 by 33 millimeter poinsettia pendants. Oh, these are pretty. So this is the back. Oh, these are so pretty. These would make pretty dangle earrings. Very pretty. Oh, got some nice weight to them too. I mean, they're not too heavy, like, but all 4 of them, you know. And number 13 is 10 pieces of 13 by 7 millimeter pine cone charms. These are so cute. We've gotten these before. These are really cute. And number 14 is 2 pieces of 21 by 19 millimeter poinsettia flower pendants. These are really pretty. And number 15 is 10 pieces of 16 by 8 millimeter dotted filigree floral links. I love when they send us these. These are so pretty. We've gotten these quite a few times from them. I don't know if you can hear a garbage guy outside. I think he's picking up our garbage. But yeah, so they're the same on both sides and they make great connectors. Okay. And number 16 is a 6-piece 14 by 10 millimeter branch patterned oval beads. Oh yeah, we've gotten these before from them too. These are so pretty. They've got a little hole running through the top. These are very pretty. And number 17 is 40 pieces of 7 millimeter scroll bead caps. Wow, that's a lot of bead caps. Very pretty. So they, oh, see a little bit of, that's what it looks like. Very pretty. Okay. And number 18, they always send us chain. 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter twisted or textured cable chain. This is pretty. You can see I like the I like copper. Copper's my favorite, and then antique brass is my second favorite. And then number 19 is 2 pieces of 24 by 17 millimeter floral toggle clasps. So these are really cute. And they're the same on both sides, which is nice. And you can also use this towards a pendant too. You don't have to use it as a toggle clasp if you don't want to. So that's what's fun about those. Okay. And number 20 is 6 pieces of 7 by 4.5 millimeter scrolled tube bail beads. Love some bail beads. Yes. 1 second, let me. These are so nice. I love these bail beads. There's like a thing in there. Really nice. Okay, and last but not least, 5 grams of 4 to 10 millimeter brass jump ring mix in antique copper. Everybody knows what jump rings are, but just in case. So pretty much all you need is some tools and some beading thread and stuff, and you've got everything you need here. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. This Winterberry Wishes collection is so pretty. I can't wait to do a couple tutorials with it this month. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will leave a link below to the bargain bead box along with all the information. I will also leave links to all of my social media. And I hope you enjoyed this. And I will see you on my next video. You have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.